Yes, my people, two Jamaican vibes, Fire Reid. Right now, I'm in Mandeville, Manchester. Thank you all for watching my channel. So enjoy the ride. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Mandeville town here. Having a nice weather today, very sunny, but you know Mandeville, no matter how sunny, Mandeville always cool. Nice place to be, my people. One love, one heart. Yeah man, just the Jamaican vibes, you know. So yes, my people, so when you're driving in Mandeville, you gotta be careful because a lot of one way. So the day after independence, this is what Mandeville look like, my people. Cool Mandeville, nice place to be. Hope it be the next city soon in Jamaica. Just enjoy the ride with Fire Reid, true Jamaican vibes. So it's a busy day in Mandeville today. So a lot of things change all over the country, all over the world due to COVID-19. So my people, just be safe and wear a mask. We just have to protect each other. So it's a beauty to hang out in the Mandeville Park. So yes, my people, so you know we're close to the courthouse, Mandeville Courthouse. And we all know it was destroyed by fire. The Jamaica Fire Brigade received a call at 4:30 a.m. in the early morning. Said the courthouse is on fire, so they responded. So on your right coming up, you will see the courthouse. So it's a windy day today, getting a little bit of breeze. Mandeville Courthouse. Yes, my people, so I want to big up all my subscribers and followers from the UK, USA, Canada, Panama, Haiti. Thanks for watching my channel. If it wasn't for you, thanks for the support. One love, one heart, my people. Just true Jamaican vibes, very. Like we're gonna have some traffic today in Mandeville, Manchester. Look at the sky, my people. Look at the beauty, natural beauty. So Mandeville is a place to be if you want your new and used car. A lot of car marts in Mandeville, so you need to visit Mandeville. No place like Jamaica. So we all remember the gas station that was on fire. Yes, my people. Up and running again. So we are on the street that will take us back to Mandeville Hospital. I think it's Caledonia Road. I know many people would like to visit Jamaica right now, but because of the virus, so you have to just stay in and can't visit anywhere. So I'm giving you a tour of Mandeville, so enjoy the ride. Yes, my people, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright, you know? Just the true Jamaican vibes. Enjoy the town ride of Mandeville. Cool Mandeville. So on your right, coming up, that's where the Mandeville Hospital. So yes, my people, so you can look on your right, you will see the Mandeville Hospital. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes via Reid. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Look out for some new videos soon of Sweet Jamaica, also in Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So you all need to hop in and take a ride and enjoy it. So we're gonna make a tour all over. Just tune in to my channel and enjoy the ride. I know it would be nice to have some sweet, nice Jamaican music playing, but because of the copywriting of YouTube, I'm not allowed to do that, so still enjoy the ride. You know, Jamaican music, very nice music to listen to, like some Berries, Bob Marley, some Bojo Banton. I don't know, so I didn't place here. Garnet Silk. No, so I'm not supposed to remember Garnet Silk. Place of birth, Mandeville. So thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes via Reid.